right now in southern Ontario. It's cold and wintry with heavy snow and mixed precipitation occurring. There you go. There you go. Freezing rain are falling in many places as part of winter storm. So we are experiencing winter storm right now. The weather was calm a few days ago. It's been calm for a couple of days. But here we are. Winter storm. Beautiful snow falling, by the way. Beautiful snow, freezing rain. This is the weather in southern Ontario right now, and I'm streaming live. The weather is -2 degrees, but it feels like 9 degrees. There you go. The sidewalks are all covered in snow, so careful if you're walking. And if you're driving, it's not so bad, but it is bad. Not so bad, but it is bad.